Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We're here with Kat Dodge, the Marketing and Promotions Director for the St. Catharines Downtown Association, and Rachel, the Executive Director for the Downtown Association. My name is Brian. I'm the Event Coordinator, and we're here to talk to you guys today about the gift card program that we just launched last week. Kat's going to provide a bunch of information about how to sign up and how the program works. We also have Liz here with us from Crystal Credence. Thanks for being here, Liz. And I'm just going to start us off first with a land acknowledgement. We begin this meeting by acknowledging the land on which we gather is the traditional territory of the Haudenosaunee and Anishinaabe peoples, many of whom continue to live and work here today. This territory is covered by the Upper Canada Treaties and is within the land protected by the Dish with One Spoon Wampum Agreement. Today, this gathering place is home to many First Nations, Métis, and Inuit peoples, and acknowledging this reminds us that our great standard of living is directly related to the resources and friendship of Indigenous people. Okay, so I'm going to pass it over to Kat to tell us all about we also have Sarah joining us in the background here, Sarah Letlow, our marketing assistant, and they're going to tell you all about our gift card program. Take it away, Kat.
Thank you, Brian. Sorry for the late entrance. Sarah's actually been programming gift cards for people. We launched last week. So they've been selling a really great gift to give this year to both your staff, clients, and to your friends and family. We're going to get into that more today. So just a quick overview of our gift card. We're really excited to be the first BIA in Niagara to be able to provide a gift card that is of use at all of our going to be for use of all of our downtown businesses. And we'll explain a little bit more about that later. But the card can be used it is used like a Visa. So anywhere that Visa is accepted, you can use this card. So patrons or clients or customers, they're able to use it at restaurants, retail, entertainment, like the First Ontario Performing Arts Centre, the Niagara Arts Centre is going to be on there soon. Services such as a dental office, or there's a counseling service that we have connected to it. We just signed up a hair salon. So there's unlimited ways that you're going to be able to use this gift card, whether you're lucky enough to be the recipient of one or you're giving on the gift of your love for downtown to someone else. The downtown gift card gives you quite literally the gift of downtown. So just a quick overview. Again, you could use it like a Visa card. So anywhere that Visa is accepted, the customers can be able to use it. We do have to have our customers sign up, or our stores sign up for it. Because the card works like a closed loop Visa, it will only work in a POS that has an approval for it. So we're working really hard behind the scenes to get as many businesses as we can signed up. And we'll kind of end the call with how you as a business will be able to sign up the gift card for your store. But you do have to go through a process for that. It takes about 5 minutes. Once we've gone ahead with that process, you are now, there's a few days, up to 3 to 5 business days before it's officially working the back end, and then you're able to start accepting the gift card. So it's really exciting. The gift cards are not reloadable at this time. And they're also not digital at this time, but it's a great program that a lot of other BIAs across Canada and the world are using. And they're actually doing some test markets right now. So you're going to see a lot of evolution with this gift card. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be with the BIA for a long time. Great way to gift throughout the year. So there are going to be a lot of different things that we'll be able to hopefully share with you soon. But at this time, the card would be used as a one-time gift card. That can be used at multiple stores, so long as you have a balance on there still. So I'm just going to share my screen here. I wanted to take you through the customer experience. So our gift cards can be shared. Sorry, let me just share the screen here. Can you see my screen? Or do you see a scary desktop?
We can see your Instagram.
Okay, good. So the gift cards can be purchased by the customer 3 ways. The 2 major ways are online or in person. So if they're going to purchase the gift card in person, they would come to our office at 80 King Street, Suite 14. We're in the core block. We're on the main floor, right outside of a beautiful tree growing in the lobby. They could purchase their gift card from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Another way to purchase it is online. And the online purchasing can be done two ways. You could either purchase it and have it shipped to you or to the recipient, or you could purchase it online and have it shipped to us. And I'm just going to, before I get too much into that, I just want to show you how the customer would do that. So through our social media, anytime we're talking about the gift card, we are linking right back to it. But if you happen to be on Instagram, you can go to our link tree and you could click right to our gift card website from there. All of our other social media channels will link directly to it. Or you could just go to mydowntown.ca. It clicks up right on the front page there. Or you can see there's a header that you could choose at the top of the page. This brings you to our gift card landing page. This is the same page that you would get through our social media as well. This landing page gives you full information on where you can buy it online, how to buy it in person. You might recognize at least one of the people in this picture here purchasing the card, and Anne is our amazing office administrator, and she would be the one helping you get your card as well. And it gives you a list of all of the businesses that are currently accepting the downtown gift card. And Sarah works very hard behind the scenes to keep that up to date. So every day we're adding more and more businesses. We have them divvied up into 4 different segments. We have food and drink. As you can see, we have a lot of restaurants. Services, we're still adding a lot of those. Leisure and attractions, you have the PAC on there, the First Ontario Performing Arts Centre. You can purchase Ice Dog tickets, Ice Dog merch, Suitcase and Points. We're currently in the process of signing up Niagara Artist Centre as well. And then retail. We have a lot of our retail stores that are able to accept the downtown gift card. And then we also have a list to different media. But this is the main place where people can go and instantly just see where their card is going to work. We are waiting until the businesses are approved on the back end before they're added. So if you've already registered for a card, you don't see your name up here right now. The reason for that is it's probably getting processed. And then once we get the go-ahead, which takes about 3 to 5 business days from the time you fill out the application, we are going to process you onto this webpage. So you've decided you're going to purchase in person. You come to our office 9 to 4, and one of our 6 amazing staff are going to help you with these happy smiles. You'll be able to go out, spend your gift card right away. Or you can buy it online. Now, when you click to buy it online, it is going to take you over to the MyConnex website, which is the provider that we are selling the gift cards through. It's really easy. You could choose an increment between anywhere up to $500. You choose how many gift cards you want to buy. I'm imagining a lot. The holiday season's coming up. Big families, lots of friends, all your clients, all your staff. And then you just add it to the bag. You can also see on this main page, you can also see the businesses that have signed up. So it's just a secondary place to locate them. And Crystal Credence here, Liz, we have on the call with us, you're able to click right through to their website as well. So there's the landing page will take you to the MyConnex landing page, and this is where the actual transaction will go through. Just want to make sure, does that come across clear? Okay, good. So that is the customer experience. Now, when you get your card, you also have an option of having it in a sleeve, which we're selling them currently in a sleeve. The sleeve allows for you to track where you're spending it. You can keep a ledger of how much is on your card. You can also write a little message to whom you're gifting it to. It folds right up in the card. I'd show you right now, but I'd probably rip the card in half doing it. And then a great thing for the downtown is we will, through marketing, have the ability to change our sleeves and to incorporate different looks for different seasons throughout the year. So we're really excited to have this as part of our messaging through the downtown to kind of share with the advocates and the fans and the people who love and are buying these for downtown and their friends, whatnot. So that is kind of the customer experience. To give you an idea of the merchant experience, so for our downtown businesses, you might have seen some emails going out. We've been trying really hard to get everyone to sign up for the launch, which happened last week. If you weren't able to make the launch, that's not a problem. We're going to be continuously signing people up. This gift card program is not going anywhere. It's not just a Christmas or a holiday season special. It's something that you will be able to provide to your friends, your family, your clients, your staff all year round. So if you haven't signed up yet, please, please, please let us sign you up when you're ready or tomorrow. From the merchant end, again, as I mentioned before, it is run like a Visa card and a closed loop. So all we have to do is run a card through. We have a test card, and that test card gives us information on what POS you're using. And from there, we're able to send that off to MyConnex, and they, in the back end, program it so that your store will be able to receive a swipe and it will actually work at your place of business. You very likely would see Sarah if you sign up. You can do it online through an application form. It takes hopefully less than 5 minutes. You just write in your business name, you write in your address, your contact information. They provide you with a card number and you manually put it into your POS. And that gives them the data of when it went through so they can track what your POS was. Or we can come out and Sarah can fill out that form for you or help you fill it out. And then she'll swipe a card. And that card, again, will do the same thing. It will just give us access to see that it swiped through your POS so we can make sure that your POS is prepared to receive any payments from the downtown gift card. Now, once you've filled out that form, that's all you have to do. We have received some feedback. You don't get a confirmation email from that process. So you might feel, oh, did it go through? Did it not go through? What happens on the back end is we get an email saying that you swiped the card, you filled out the application, we click an approve button, then it goes off. It takes about 3 to 5 days before you're on the website ready to go. And what we're doing in the meantime is we've got you on a spreadsheet now. We're going to set up an appointment where we're going to come to you and we're going to deliver an onboarding package and a sticker for your window. So the onboarding package, it has a few different FAQ sheets, some information on just how to take the card. As a reminder, it is a Visa, it's swiped through as a Visa card, not a gift card. Also, something that we want our businesses to know is that you do have to know the balance of the gift card before you swipe it if the gift card is covering an amount that's bigger than the gift card. So if you are a restaurant and somebody comes to pay for their meal and they're not sure how much is on their card, but they say just put whatever's on the card on the meal and we'll pay the rest in cash, it will get declined unless you enter into your POS with the exact amount that's left on their gift card. So that might seem a little stressful. Hopefully your customer knows how much is left on the gift card. Maybe they've used the ledger, maybe not. If they haven't, or they're not sure, they've used it at a few different places, there's 2 ways they can get their balance instantaneously. Well, ish. The first way would be to call the EML number or the toll-free number, which is located right on the back of the card. So the customer can call that, or you can call it on their behalf, and an automation will let you know the balance. Then you ring that balance through, and the remaining balance they'll be able to pay for in cash. The other way is your customer can, and something that we're encouraging them to do when they purchase their card, is they can go to a website on the back of here called getmybalance.com. They just have to register their card. So that's why it's not so instantaneous. Once their card's registered, it's instantaneous, but they do have to go through that one step of just registering the card. And that's another way for them to check their balance. So we've actually been selling a lot of $150 plus cards. So I think for a customer that has that much money on their card, it's going to be really worth their while to register that card. Maybe if it's a $10 card, it's not a step they might consider, or perhaps, but if it's anything above $25, I think that would be really useful for any recipient of this card to take that step to do. Now, you can also call on their behalf if you're a merchant. If you have any issues at all, actually, we would recommend calling that number. It's right on the back of the card, and it will give you access to 24/7 in-person customer support as well. So if you have any issues with the transaction whatsoever, maybe you forgot that it runs through as a Visa, it keeps getting declined, you're not sure, call that number and they're going to give you support right on the spot. Something that we haven't experienced yet, as the cards are really new, but we have heard some feedback that people might want to call us. Of course you would. We're so helpful. But the only problem with that is once you call us, it has to be within our business hours, and then we're going to contact this 81800 number, then we're going to get the answer, and then we're going to have to schedule a time to get that information to you. So it really takes much longer than it would if you just called that number yourself. So you are recommended to rely on this 1-800 number that goes right to the EML tech support that's going on customer service, that's going to help you make sure your transactions go smoothly. And that's all going to be in your onboarding. So you'll have access to this paperwork that you can, we recommend, if you can, if you have space, taping it to your counter or putting it somewhere where you're going to have easy access to, or your customers will have easy access to. In addition to your onboarding information, you get a sticker. You might have noticed the stickers in some of the windows. Maybe you've already signed up and you have a sticker in your window. But we will help you adhere this. And this sticker allows you to shout to the world that your gift or the downtown gift card is accepted at your business. So they're super cute. They go with every look. And we will provide those for you as well. Some businesses have actually requested multiple stickers. Maybe you have a bigger business. Maybe there's multiple offices. We are able to do that. If you want more than one sticker, just let us know. We want to make sure that you feel comfortable in the situation, that you're able to express that you're now receiving the cards, and we're here to help make that happen for you. So that is the merchant side of things. There is no cost whatsoever to merchants to be able to use the gift card. However, because it's run as a Visa card, there is a transaction fee that would be the same transaction fee that you pay for any Visa transaction. I can't tell you how much that would be. It's up to what you might have agreed with your bank. It could be around 3%. I'm not sure what that number would be. It's going to be different every business. But that same transaction fee, that would be the only fee that you would have to worry about seeing. Otherwise, the St. Catharines Downtown Association is covering all costs of the cards, and marketing. That's something that we're doing from our offices. So it's just a great added way for you to be able to promote your business and have customers, maybe returning customers, maybe big fans of your business, maybe new customers, maybe people from out of town. Maybe people who haven't been downtown yet, to explore and discover your business. So it's a great addition to just your current sales strategy to be receiving the gift cards. So on the call today, we have Liz. And Liz runs a very cute store where I spend most of my paycheck, probably, selling beautiful crystals and rocks and goods, and you just need to go in there. It's a great store. It's at 80 King Street as well. Liz is one of the stores that has signed up for our gift card. We're really excited to have Crystal Credence on board. And she also happens to have had some transactions already because of course, people have been using their gift card at Crystal Credence. So Liz, I was hoping to invite you to kind of share the experience with us from a business perspective, just from the moment that someone came in with a card and how you processed it and any problems you ran into, and then how you were able to work through that.
Okay, you're making me blush with all this compliment.
I can see it coming through the dark.
I've had no problems. I've had a few. The only thing with me, there's no tap. That's what people have to know, because everybody taps nowadays. There is no tap with these cards. My card that I use, it's connected to my website, not a bank. So I don't have like a swipe feature, but I have, I can input the numbers manually, and I've had no problems at all. Some people have been inputting the numbers themselves, and others are just letting me do it to input it. So, but yeah, I've had no problems with it. Everything's gone very smooth.
That is great feedback though, and a great point that there is, at this time, there's no tap feature. At this time, it does need to either swipe or go through manually. So from everyone that we've set up, we haven't run into any issues with that yet. And I do believe, correct me if I'm wrong, Rachel, but that is something that could change again in the future. They're looking at a digital version possibly, and just kind of moving along with the times in a sense. and they're currently in test markets. But that is great, a great point. They do not tap. You do need to swipe them or enter them manually. Sweet. So that's, I hope I've gone through most of the information for the gift cards. It is brand new to the downtown. We couldn't be more excited to bring this to the downtown and to help just give another opportunity for people to share their love and support and help increase the attention to a lot of our downtown businesses that are just absolutely incredible gems. Or to, of course, reward someone with a gift card, knowing that they're going to use it at a store that they already love. So we are still kind of learning as we go as well. And we're going to do our best to share information as soon as we can, typically through email, and also on our Facebook group. So if you're not receiving our emails, let us know, send us a DM or comment on this video, or email kat@mydowntown.ca. We want to make sure that you're signed up and receiving our weekly newsletters. You can also join our Facebook group, St. Catharines Downtown Association Business Members. It's on Facebook. We share a lot of the same information there as well. And you can also give us a call or come into the office. If you have any questions whatsoever, we want to make sure that we can give you that answer. And if it's a question we might not know how to answer, we want to know that question too, so that we can learn the answer to that. Brian, Rachel, is there anything maybe or Sarah, might be any questions?
Yeah, I can jump in for a second. I wanted to ask about the number of businesses that are currently available where the gift card will be accepted. So I know when we launched, it was around 32, but when you had that webpage open there, it looked like it's even more than that. So yeah. It looks like businesses are continuing to sign up, right?
Yeah, so we've jumped up to 46 now, and we're still like pretty much fielding questions through our social media and through email of businesses wondering how they can get on board as well.
Right. And there's no time limit for when a business needs to sign up, but with Christmas around the corner, I'm expecting these are going to be a popular Christmas gift. So businesses, I think, should be incentivized to sign up soon, so that when people go to spend their gift cards that they got for Christmas, they're going to have hopefully all the downtown businesses available as options for them to spend their gift card at.
Yeah, exactly.
I have a couple quick questions, if that's okay, or just points too, but you're going to answer them much better than I would. So just if businesses, when they're signed up, are really excited and want to share, do you have tips or tricks of ways they can help promote that they accept the gift card?
Sure. So one of the things that, like, we have the stickers, you have the physical sticker in your window, you go on our website, and then we include direction to highlighting that your restaurant business, retail service is signed up. But we also are taking photos of everyone with the big gift card. Oh, we should have brought the big gift card with us. You should go grab it and give it a spin. And so we're collecting photos and then sharing them with the businesses so that you have a photo you can share. And we also have suggested copy. So if you're not sure exactly what to write on social media, and this is through BIA Member Resource Drive, and we will make sure the link is shared when we share this video. See, I want to buy 20. So those are two quick ways that we're helping businesses let people know that they're signed up for it. In addition to that, you could use that copy to share in your social media. You can provide giveaways. We have one of our businesses, or not even a downtown business, came in earlier to pick up a bunch of gift cards. They give away a gift card each month as a social media contest, and they wanted, instead of choosing a different downtown business each time, they were ecstatic to be able to offer the downtown business gift card. You can also hand it out to your staff. That's a great way to have them help promote too, because they're going to be like, man, look what I got for my holiday gift this year. And everyone's going to be asking them where they got that. So there's a lot of different creative ways in that sense that you could use them. And I'm sure Rachel could probably add at least 2 to that.
Yeah, I would agree too. And I think, even if you're talking to your customers and stuff, and they've got family from out of town, it's, a good way to say, hey, we're missing you. Can't wait for you to come visit. Here's money to spend when you're back, kind of thing. So it's a good kind of luring piece too for friends and family to come back. And then, as Kat mentioned, some of our more office focused businesses are also looking to purchase them as staff gifts. So it is a good incentive, especially for those office workers who don't really want to always come back to the office. It's a good incentive to get them back so that they can go out for their lunch and enjoy. So yeah, I encourage all our businesses to kind of get creative with sharing and promoting. And if you've got good best practices or tips and tricks, feel free to share those too. I think that's also really important.
So just in closing, again, if you have any questions, please reach out, DM us through Instagram, Facebook, email us, kat@mydowntown.ca. Stop in at the office. We'd love to see you, or set up a time and we can come to you. We really hope to get you signed up for the gift card if you're not already signed up for the gift card. And if you are, we're here to help you get the best out of it. And we look forward to being on the journey with you. I feel a little thrown off now, I'm not gonna lie.
Thanks so much, Kat, and thanks everyone for being here with us today. Make sure to get your downtown gift card as the ultimate Christmas gift this season.
It is. We have lots. Okay, bye. Thank you so much, Liz.
Yes, thank you, Liz.
You're welcome.
Bye, guys.